In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Kanye!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back for another DIY project. So in this project I'm going to be using the styrofoam pumpkins that are usually at the dollar store every year, and I'm going to be using other dollar store materials to create some really cute fall decor. So here I'm painting these orange styrofoam pumpkins white. I have these pumpkins from last year, but the dollar store now has it where they make the white styrofoam pumpkins. So if you're able to get a hold of those, then you can actually skip this step. And so after I get about 2 base layer coats of white paint on the styrofoam pumpkins, then I can go ahead and start painting them the color that I actually want them to be. I thought it would be really cute to do some ice cream pumpkins, and so the pumpkins are supposed to basically represent the scoops. So each of the 3 different pumpkins that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be painting a different color. After I got the pumpkins coated with about 2 coats of color, I decided to speed up the drying process by using my hair dryer. And then I painted all of the stems on the pumpkins black. And then I used some dollar store sticker letters to add the flavors to the pumpkins. used a sign and a stencil from the dollar store to add a cute saying. So much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell for more DIYs on a budget.